Today I'm going to teach you how to make this mouse craft made of angpow for your Chinese New Year decoration. This is the year of the mouse, so let's get started. Okay, first of all, of course you need a angpow packet. Cut off the lid here. I'm going to cut this like this. Okay, we need to cut a strip, a long strip, depending on how big you want. For this is about 2 centimeters wide. Okay, so when you cut that, you just cut open, and there you have your strip. Cut 2 of these, one for the head and one for the body. Okay, like this. This one. Okay. Okay, and open. Now that you have 2 of these, what you do is you make a knot out of this strip of paper, of your angpow paper. Okay, just make a knot like this. Then you twist this side, okay, this one side, so that the ends, you will make something like the shape of a diamond. You can make this with normal color paper or your angpow paper. Okay, then from this side, just push it in. Sometimes it will crumple like that, so you make sure that your this diamond is nice and poofy. Okay, right? It will be like this. Extra here you can cut off. No need to be perfect, as long as you got the shape. Then you get your rubber tape or glue. Oopsie. Then just close the, tape it, and close the end here. And there you have it, triangle or diamond shape. Okay, do the same with the next piece. I have ready made 2 here. So now you need to make the tail. So you cut a strip here, a thin strip again. If you prefer to have both sides of the same color and your paper is white on the inside, you just need to seal it. Okay, just seal this with some glue. Ew, this glue is so dry. I'm using my daughter's glue. Okay, right. See, no need to be so perfect. Then what you do is you take one end, put some glue on it, both sides. Okay. Glue stick is good because it dries fast. Okay, take the part that there are 2 types of surface here. One, you see a something like a rectangle shape, and one is this triangle. Take the triangle shape. Okay, see the flap here? Okay, just insert your tail and stick it in like that, like so. Right? After that, you let it dry a bit. Okay, let it sit. So this one would be the head. For the head, okay, again I take this and you cut out a long oval, half oval shape like this to be the ears. And when you open and divide it into two, then you have two ears. Again, I will use this glue. So for this, just now you use the triangle side. Now you have to use the square side. This side. You turn it over. This sharp would be the snout. So this will be the back of the head. Put some glue. Okay. So the snout facing you. This side, you see, there's the slit here. You just slide this into the bottom. Okay. The side will look like this. So this is the one with the 4 angles. Right, and there you have it, your mouse head. This one, the ear, you just fold it back so it balanced, and there you have it, your mouse head, right? And this is the body. Okay, the tail will be somewhat a bit dry now, hopefully. Just stick, you let it dry. After it's dried, you curl your tail. Okay, you can use a brush or pen or some round of stick to curl the tail. Yeah, tail curl, not curl the tail. Okay, so it's something like this, right? See? Can you see it? Yeah. Right. So you have your head. So that's it. Now you just need to string it together to make your mouse. What I do, if you have any other suggestion on how to string it, you can do it your style. But what I do is I go from the bottom here, the body, the bottom. I go up to the center, right? Pull. Then I go through the head. Okay, see the front of the head. So go through. Okay, see, it's string. Then I go back to make a loop. If you don't want it to like unravel, you can poke it on this side, so it will not come out. Okay. Okay, let me try and poke this. To secure, and I like to tie a knot on the top also, so it won't unravel or go away after you put it. Yep, just like that. Snip off the extra, and there you have it, the mouse, right? See? Oh, this ear came off. Okay, okay. Make sure you have your glue on. Right. So you have the mouse. For this one, I add on some rhinestone for the eyes. Okay, that's it. My craft for this Chinese New Year mouse craft. Bye bye.